Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 7 raised to power s plus 7 raised to power s is equal to 70. Solution. Here we have 7 raised to power s plus 7 raised to power s is equal to 70. 7 raised to power s is common. Let's bring it out. This is 7 raised to power s bracket 7 raised to power s divided by this 7 raised to power s 1 plus 7 raised to power s divided by this 7 raised to power s 1 is equal to 70. S multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 7 raised to power s multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 70. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. This divided by 2. This cancel this. 7 raised to power s is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 35. 35. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 7 raised to power s is equal to log 35. Then this is s log 7 is equal to log 35. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 7. This divided by log 7. This divided by log 7. This log 7 cancel this log 7. S is equal to log 35 divided by log 7. S is equal to log 35 can be written as log 7 multiplied by 5 divided by log 7. Then this is the same thing as s is equal to log 7 plus log 5 divided by log 7. We can as well split this as s is equal to log 7 over log 7 plus log 5 over log 7. This cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 7 so, and this can be written as s is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 7. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 7 raised to power s plus 7 raised to power s is equal to 70. This is 7 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 7 plus 7 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 7 must be equal to 70. Here, if is 7 raised to power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 plus 7 raised to power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 must be equal to 70. 7 raised to power 1, this is 7 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 plus this is 7 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 must be equal to 70. Now if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b This is 7 multiplied by, the whole of this is 5 plus here is 7 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 70. 7 times 5, this is 35 plus 7 times 5, 35 must be equal to 70. 35 plus 35, this is 70, is equal to 70, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.